suburban tankless propane hot water heater model iw60. It wasn't making hot enough water at the sink, so this plate came off. There's 2 top screws to open up this area, and then what you do to adjust the temperature is adjust the dip switches, which are these 4 white switches. D1, D2, D3, D4 is how they're referred to in the manual. When I opened this up, they were all in the down position, which is on, apparently, and that makes a temperature of only 108 degrees Fahrenheit. I flipped D3 up, and that makes a temperature of 130 degrees. There's 4 settings, 108, 120, 125, 130. So I just boosted it from the lowest version to the hottest version. And now, when I turn that on, oh, I flipped it to cold. I want you to hear this booting up. You hear that? That's what it sounds like in good working order. And if we come over here, this is hot. It's actually too hot for me. And now we can see that it's steaming. And I just want you to hear this again. That's what it sounds like in good working order. And now if I turn it off, now it's off.